Greetings, GetZooks members. This is part 4 in our ongoing series of how to build your very own unlimited size World Wide Web presence so that you can share the GetZooks concept as well as any products and services that you may wish. Now, at the end of part 3, we had edited our page, added our main portal graphic, included into it a video, and changed our related website to go to our unique URL where we sign people up and refer them to the club. Now in today's part 4, what we're going to do is look at how we can build down our big taxonomy. It's very simple. Let's go to create a topic. Once you click create a topic, you're going to get your basic fields that you can fill out all the time whenever you're creating content on this unique platform. So let's do this. I'm going to call this one GetZooks Radio Shows. And I want to have a topic image, which is going to show up right over here. So let's go browse and look for our topic image. Okay, I think I'm going to look for something from Blog Talk Radio. In fact, what was that? There we go. Let's use that because I'm going to do radio shows. Okay. Now when I come in here, I can actually make things bold, italic, underline. I can change the font, the size, the color, background. I can import videos, graphics, hyperlink things, make happy faces, you name it. So this is really pretty simple. I'm just going to start typing and saying, join GetZooks for our weekly radio shows. Get up to date information on the company, marketing tools, tips, and member products. Now, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to embed a radio program in here, the one that talks about how to use Many One. So I'll say, listen to our past show on how to use this portal. Alright, enter. And as you can see, I should actually do my spell check here to make sure everything comes out right, because I can see I've got some things spelled wrong in here. GetZooks, I'm going to ignore all. I think that's spelled right. Past, I'm going to do that. Only, you know what, the P probably in past should not be capitalized. Okay, in fact, I'm going to put a past radio program in here. That's going to be interesting. Let me come up here. I'm going to go from YouTube to our Blog Talk Radio program. There it is. And let's go down and look for the show on how to use Many One. And here that one is, how to be successful without selling. Click on this so you bring up that page. And then you want to go to share. Actually, you have to wait for the little player to come up. Press share. I'm going to put that there. And it will say embed code. So simply click copy. I'm going to come back to my portal over here. And now I have a piece of code. How do you put in code? Let's click the source button. This is what code looks like. I'm simply going to paste it in. In fact, I'll take it off source now. And there it is. Alright, let's do this. I don't need to make it any bigger. There we go. And where do I want my topic? Well, right now the only level I have is my root topic. So we're going to leave it in the root topic and click submit. So we click the submit button and watch what happens. Okay, so my page is loading here. There's the banner that we had put in. And now I'm going to have a topic over here that's going to show up in my portal topics, which is pretty exciting. And I can make as many topics as I want. So there it is, GetZooks Radio Shows. I can create as many topics as I wish. And I can even go to my GetZooks Radio page. I can edit it and add more information. I can actually add articles to this page. See, create an article, create a blog post, an event, or a resource.